Enhance your outdoor spaces with our expert exterior illumination flower mound services. Our team expertise in outdoor lighting installation flower mound, ensuring your garden lights and pathway illumination are perfectly placed for maximum effect. Whether you're looking for patio lighting solutions Flower Mound or deck lighting Flower Mound Texas, we have the expertise to transform your outdoor areas. Illuminate your home with Exterior Illumination Flower Mound, providing peace of mind with strategically placed LED outdoor lighting Flower Mound. Our accent lighting Flower Mound TX adds a touch of elegance, while tree uplighting Flower Mound highlights the natural beauty of your landscape. For those with pools, our poolside lighting Flower Mound Texas creates a stunning ambiance for evening swims. Driveway lighting Flower Mound ensures safe navigation, while wall wash lighting Flower Mound TX adds depth and dimension to your home's exterior. Step lights Flower Mound and bollard lighting Flower Mound Texas offer practical solutions for pathways and garden areas. Spotlights Flower Mound TX and moonlighting Flower Mound create dramatic effects, perfect for highlighting architectural features. Festoon lighting Flower Mound Texas adds a festive touch to any occasion, while hardscape lighting Flower Mound enhances the beauty of your stonework and outdoor structures. For water features, our underwater lighting Flower Mound TX provides a magical glow. Solar garden lights Flower Mound offer an eco-friendly option, harnessing the power of the sun to illuminate your garden. Motion sensor lighting Flower Mound Texas adds an extra layer of security, activating only when needed. Our low-voltage lighting Flower Mound is energy efficient, providing beautiful illumination without high energy costs. Holiday lighting Flower Mound TX brings seasonal cheer, with exterior light fixtures Flower Mound Texas designed to withstand the elements. Trust the garden lighting experts in Flower Mound to bring your vision to life. Our pathway lights Flower Mound TX guide guests safely, while patio lighting solutions Flower Mound create inviting spaces for relaxation and entertainment. Deck lighting Flower Mound Texas enhances your outdoor living areas, making them usable year-round. Driveway lighting Flower Mound and wall wash lighting Flower Mound TX provide functional and aesthetic benefits, while step lights Flower Mound and bollard lighting Flower Mound Texas enhance safety and style. Spotlights Flower Mound TX and moonlighting Flower Mound create stunning visual effects, perfect for showcasing your home's best features. With our comprehensive range of services, including exterior illumination Flower Mound and LED outdoor lighting Flower Mound, your home will be both beautiful and safe. Accent lighting Flower Mound TX and tree uplighting Flower Mound add artistic flair, while poolside lighting Flower Mound Texas ensures your pool area is always ready for a party.